will mark the glabella point in between the eyebrows. Then from here, first point, mid-frontal point we take at 7 to 8 centimeter. This is the first point taken here. Then from here, another point we take on the lateral canthus, 8 centimeter from the glabella point. This is the lateral canthus point. Then the same point we take at 8 centimeter from glabella point to right side lateral canthus point. So we have taken mid-frontal point 7 to 8 centimeter. In this case, I am taking the 7 centimeter. Then glabella, from glabella to here 8 centimeter in the horizontal level, 8 centimeter. Similarly, lateral canthus point another 8 centimeter. Now after taking these 2 points, we take from this lateral canthus point to frontotemporal region again 8 centimeter, mark the area. And from here, mid-frontal point to this again 8 centimeter cross. This intersection is the frontotemporal angle point. Similarly, I am repeating here, 8 centimeter from lateral canthus point to frontotemporal region 8 centimeter, mark area, and then mid-frontal point again 8 centimeter, and where the intersection takes place, this is the right frontotemporal angle. So again I am repeating, 8 centimeter in vertical direction you are marking here, then again point from here 8 centimeter, then you are where the intersection. Now you join all these 3 points. And now frontal angle from here, join these 2 lines and 4 to 5 centimeter you take. This is 4 centimeter. So actually he is a young boy, he does not need this. If at all, then you can make this angle, this. Otherwise he doesn't need. So you can omit the formation of this. So he does not need the temporal reconstruction, just entry hairline. So first point is mid-frontal point, this is the glabella. From here 7 to 8 centimeter mid-frontal point, lateral canthus point 8 centimeter, another lateral canthus point 8 centimeter. From here again you take 8 centimeter, and from mid-frontal point to this area you are taking 8 centimeter here. So this makes your perfect hairline, and all points have been put at 8 centimeter. Entry hairline zone. This is entry hairline zone for high density. Then you can make the irregularities, you can make slightly obtuse, you can make mounts here, you can make mounts here. Then similar mounts you can create here, one ear mounts, and you can make slightly obtuse this angle. So this is a perfect hairline. This is a regular zone. These are the mounts. You can put the few sentinel hair. This is the gaps, and this is the high density transition zone, and this is the defined zone, and this is the forelock area. This is a from here almost 4 finger. If you go from here point, this is your frontal area. This is the area we are going to cover, almost 90 to 100 square centimeter, and we are going to cover by using the 3000 grams.